In this video, we will guide you through the steps of making a square 8-strand braid. Let's start. I used 8 threads in different colors as samples. Different colors will help to see more clearly. Step 1. Begin by securely clamping down all 8 cords, dividing them into 2 groups of 4. Arrange them side by side with 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Step 2. Take the far left strand, wrap it backwards and thread it between the second and third strands from the right side. Then bring it down on the left side to become the bottommost strand of that group. Step 3. Now take the far right strand, wrap it backwards and thread it between the second and third strands from the left side. Bring it down on the right side to become the bottommost strand of that group. After each weave, tighten the cords to maintain an even tension and a neat appearance. Repeat steps 2 and 3, alternating sides each time. Continue this pattern until you reach your desired length. Each time you wrap the thread, take the outermost thread, either the first thread on the left or right, from the back. Pass it between the second and third threads on the opposite side, then pull it to the other side to become the bottommost thread on that side. Tips for perfecting braids. Maintain even tension on all strands to ensure a uniform braid. Tighten the threads on both the left and right sides each time you wind. Using different colored threads can create beautiful patterns. Consider the arrangement of colors to add visual appeal. Just keep repeating steps 2 and 3.